Imagine stepping into a room filled with people. You open your mouth to speak and suddenly silence. They're listening, not because you're the loudest, but because you command it. Confidence is built. It is a discipline forged by philosophy, shaped by practice. Today we're breaking down 7 Stoic lessons that will transform how you speak and command attention. Subscribe to Arev and join us in mastering the art of Stoic confidence. Now, let's begin our journey to speaking like a true leader. The Stoics understood a fundamental truth. True wisdom lies not in the quantity of your words, but in their weight. Think of the most powerful leaders in history. Did they ramble? No, they chose their words carefully with precision. So ask yourself, are you speaking just to fill the silence, or are you speaking because your words carry the weight of conviction? It's about making every word count. The more you speak, the less each word holds value. Before speaking, pause. Take a breath. Ask yourself, is this necessary? If your words are necessary, speak them clearly and directly. The less you speak, the more valuable your words become. This is the heart of Stoic communication. Remember, every word you speak is a reflection of your inner self. Speak less, mean more, and let your words resonate with purpose. In the wild, an animal driven by fear makes itself vulnerable. The same is true in the human world, especially in communication. A Stoic never lets their emotions dictate their words. Most people speak from a place of fear, anger, or insecurity. A Stoic speaks calmly and rationally, even in high-pressure situations. They are like a mountain, unmoved by the storms around them. True power comes from mastering the self. Before speaking, breathe. Slow your heart rate. Visualize yourself as that mountain, unshakable and calm. When you control your emotions, you control yourself. And when you control yourself, you control the room. Practice mindfulness and self-reflection regularly. Use techniques like deep breathing and visualization to stay grounded. Remember, a calm mind leads to clear communication. Silence. For many, silence in conversation is a source of anxiety. They rush to fill gaps, fearing quiet will be perceived as weakness. But you, the Stoic communicator, understand that silence is a powerful tool. A pause before speaking builds anticipation. It makes people lean in, eager to hear what you'll say next. Like a composer placing rests between notes, you create a rhythm to your speech. When asked a question, don't rush to answer. Pause. Let the silence linger. Meet the eyes of those around you with calm confidence. Master silence, and you command the room without even speaking. Silence can be your most powerful ally. In the animal kingdom, displays of false bravado often mask insecurity. True strength lies in authenticity. Confidence doesn't come from pretending, it comes from truth. If you don't know something, admit it. Embrace humility. Say, I don't know, but I will find out. Honesty commands more respect than any fabricated facade. People are drawn to authenticity. Before you speak, ask yourself, do I truly know this? When unsure, listen more than you speak. Absorb information. When your words reflect genuine knowledge, people trust you. In the wild, communication extends beyond sound. Animals use posture, gesture, and movement to convey messages. Humans are no different. A Stoic speaks with presence. If your voice is strong but your body is weak, people won't believe you. Your posture, eye contact, and gestures must align with your words. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open. Hold eye contact, but don't stare. Connect. Use slow, deliberate movements. When your body speaks confidence, your words follow. Use open hand gestures and keep your shoulders relaxed. Smile genuinely and engage with your audience. A Stoic understands that criticism is not a threat, but an opportunity for growth. They know criticism means nothing unless they let it. Most people get defensive when criticized. They react emotionally, missing the opportunity for growth. A Stoic listens, absorbs feedback, and analyzes it with detachment. Think of a mountain facing a storm. It remains unmoved. When criticized, don't react. Pause, breathe, ask, is this useful? Does this feedback align with my values? If yes, embrace it. Use it for growth. If no, let it go. When you stop fearing criticism, you become untouchable. Accept criticism with grace and let it guide your growth. In the animal kingdom, dominance is established through action. A lion doesn't need to announce its strength. Its presence speaks for itself. Humans are judged not by their words, but by their deeds. A Stoic gains respect by action first, speech second. When people see you live by your values, they listen when you speak. Your words carry weight because they are backed by your actions. Before speaking of success, achieve it. Before preaching discipline, practice it. Live your words before you speak them. Let your actions be the foundation upon which your words are built. When your actions speak for themselves, your words resonate with authenticity. Let your actions inspire others to follow. Confidence is not a trick. It's a discipline, a mindset, a way of life. It's about mastering the self, not just the words you speak. Practice these 7 Stoic principles, and you will never struggle with speaking again. You will command attention through the quiet power of authenticity, self-control, and wisdom. If you want more wisdom like this, subscribe to Arev now. And if you're ready to take action, hit that play button below for more videos on Stoic mastery. Stay strong, stay Stoic. Remember, true confidence comes from within. It's a journey of continuous growth and self-improvement. Embrace the Stoic path and let your inner strength shine through every word you speak.